A genius. I talk with a lisp. You know, I get those comments all the time. Lisp, oh, I'm out. Bye. Bye. You hear me? If you want to be here, you will be here. You feel me? If you want to go, you can go. Go watch somebody else. I've been talking with a lisp my whole life. It don't bother me. You probably an internet keyboard warrior that still live in your mama's basement. Anyway, yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Police Find Man with an Active Felony Warrant Hiding in Store. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about. Let's do it, man.
Roll them up, pick them up. Pick them up. Come on.
Get in there. 1450.
Why y'all putting them in her truck? Help! 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 Help!
Go ahead, Mike.
1031, 1031 for 6.
Officers were on routine patrol when officers spotted a familiar face in a nearby store. This wasn't a random encounter. The man had an active felony warrant and had been evading police for months.
What's going on? Get on the ground. Stop resisting.
You got a warrant.
Ain't got a warrant. No, I don't.
Oh my goodness. Hey, why y'all doing that to him? Hey, here we go with the bystanders. Come on, man. Y'all just get out there. If y'all want to film. But all that extra stuff, that talking and everything, you don't know what this man is wanted for. You don't know this man. You know what I'm saying? You as the person that's in the store, as the bystander, you don't know if this guy got 3 bodies that they looking for. You don't know that. You just yelling, hey, what are you doing that for? What? This guy could be on demon time. Could really be on that. You know what I'm saying? You don't know. So that's why you just need to just zip it. If you want to film. You know what I'm saying? But let the police do their job. It is what it is. Right now isn't the time to fight it. You'll have your chance to fight it in court, which this man has been invading. Is that the right word? Invading? Evading. I don't know, but you get the point. You get it. You get what I'm trying to say. You hear me?
Go ahead, get a couple.
Ain't got a warrant. What did he do?
Hey, that's it.
What did he do? What did he do before y'all started doing all that? What did he
Give us your left hand. Give us your left hand.
do? Give me your left hand. Hey, give me your left hand. Y'all be so, why y'all so rough?
Do you have his legs?
Y'all gotta be so rough.
I don't have them ready. There it is. There you go.
What's the number, bro?
Stop trying to play.
Stay back.
He's fucking biting her. Back up, please. He has an active felony warrant. Back away from us now.
This is what I'm saying. And the cops shouldn't even have to tell bystanders that. Y'all just yelling, hey, but what about cooperate? What about put your hands behind your back? They wouldn't be wrestling with this guy if this guy was just like, imagine this encounter, right? They run into him in the store. Hey, how you doing? Whatever, boom, he walked past. You see the other cop, they go to grab him. All right, you got me. You place your hands behind your back, and that's it. You've been on the run for months. You know you've been on the run for months. You caught, but now you still gonna fight? Come on, it's over. You had a couple of extra months of freedom. I hope you enjoyed it.
Hey, come on, mama.
What's the number, bro?
Huh?
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
They call my door, man.
You should get it now.
Hey, yo, get him
Hey,
off me.
stop resisting.
Follow me. Cracker, shut up, Cracker.
All I have to do that, like,
We're happy, man. We're happy, bro. Help me, man. Help me.
It's wrapped around the table.
250 244. What? 250 244. That's good. She won't call. Hey, call 348 5820. That's it. Yeah, man, fuck.
why y'all got something between his hands like that?
Because while
Why
he
he
was
gotta
fighting and
resist?
resisting,
Shut the
he's
fuck
holding
up,
on to
man.
it. Yeah.
Why don't you ask him why he took a chunk out of the other officer's hand? So bite him.
Yeah, act
Ask him
that.
that.
Damn, I'm gone, man.
Let go.
Cracker, shut up, Cracker.
Yeah, I like that officer response. Why don't you ask him why he took a bite out of the... Yeah, I like that officer response right there. You keep asking the police stuff. Ask him. Ask him, why is he resisting?
Because while he was fighting and resisting, he's holding on to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you ask him why he took a chunk out of the other officer's hand? So bite him. Ask him that.
Damn, I'm gone, man.
Let go.
Cracker, shut up, Cracker.
Let go of the handcuff. And let go of me. How about that?
Hey, 5820, bro. 5820.
Yeah, let it go.
The man continued to act in an irrational manner, kicking and even biting one of the officers.
Come on, let's go.
D-Head, chill out. Hey, stop. D-Head, please stop. Please stop.
I love y'all, man. I love y'all.
D-Head, you gotta calm down. Chill out. D-Head, come on, just go to the front.
Hey, we're gonna put her in her car right there. Her car right there.
You need to put him in your car. She might do something to him. Put him in somebody else's seat instead of hers, because she might do something. Stop resisting. Put him in one of y'all.
Pat him down real quick.
Yeah.
Well, chill out. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm not trying to hurt you. Calm down. You got to calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You can't help you unless you calm down.
Y'all trouble.
Put him in a man's truck, not one of ours.
I'm into the,
No, just calm down. Calm down.
Watch his other foot, all right?
Hey, stop tensing up, man.
Go ahead. Roll it this way. Get up.
I know that one is coming. I can't breathe. As you yelling and talking, you can't breathe. If you talking, you breathing. Come on, man.
Let's get him up. Get him up. Roll him up.
Man, I know they gonna get him with some act right when he get down to the jail, boy.
Why y'all putting him in her truck?
Help! Help! Help!
Go ahead, Mike.
Help, man. I can't go in like that, man. Help!
Lift him up.
Yep.
He's bracing. He's bracing. Hey, let go of the car. Come on.
Cracker! Cracker, I hate you, Cracker! Cracker!
No. Hey, stop.
And he spit? Oh my God. They gonna get him together down there in the county, boy.
Y'all being the OG weapon.
We gotta get him up on the thing.
You hear these bystanders? Y'all being a little bit too rough. The guy just spit. Oh my God, I hate bystanders, bro. I hate bystanders, bro. They get me tight, bro. Tight. Why y'all keep coming after the cops? Tell him. Talk to him. Oh my goodness, man.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Just time to...
Are you causing problems?
No, I'm sorry.
How y'all motherfuckers anyways? How y'all know he was under?
Do we really want to
we want to talk to her about parking in a parking spot without a handicap sticker.
Yeah, no, I hear you. No, I appreciate that.
I don't want to. I'm not causing
He
problems.
is. He's a good dude.
Honestly, none of that even needed to happen
I know.
if he just got in handcuffs. You know what I'm saying? None of it. It was very.
I just explained it to your teammates because I need you guys. So
Yeah.
I'm here just to help.
Yeah. I'm sorry I had to happen in front of your store, man.
You can go with her. She's going to go down the
Okay.
I just want to explain. I'm with you guys here. I'm just trying to.
Yeah, it's all good.
I'm the owner here.
Okay. Omar, you know what would help? You have video footage out front?
Yeah.
One of these guys are going to get it from you. All right? They'll send you the link or whatever.
Could they come and do it themselves?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah.
Can you guys just get some info from them so we can get a time window and we can capture that?
Yeah.
Because it'd be super helpful.
Yeah.
All right.
Bravo! Don't leave!
Bro, this guy's Castellan. They don't know what to do.
You guys got any hand sanitizer in your car? Anybody?
Yeah.
You can wash your hands. Come wash your hands.
Nah, it's all good. I'll spray this off now.
It's over by.
His face is against that door, so just be careful when you open that door.
I'm good, man. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm good. Let me out. Get me out.
Yeah, we're gonna get you on this side.
Help me.
I'm gonna secure my weapons
My
real quick.
wrist, yeah.
Do you mind just keeping an eye on him?
Please help me. Get me out of here.
You got it? All right.
I'm good. I'm not going to do anything.
Hey, move your foot.
I'm not going to do anything.
Move your foot.
I need to get out. Please.
Y'all ready to take him out?
Please, I'm good. I'm going to take me out. I promise I didn't do
I'm just
anything.
gonna go secure my
I
weapons
don't
in
need the
case.
chair. I'm good, man. Oh.
You gonna fight or what?
I ain't fighting, man. Y'all know me, man. I'm gonna call that, man. What's some money, man? I'm good, man. See you guys, please, man. This time, this year, man. Y'all niggas put that one on me. I was going good. Just keep me out, man. I ain't gonna do it, man. I'm gonna say that's what
Okay.
I don't know my wrist is fit. My wrist, I can't don't leave me out like that. My wrist, man. I don't leave me out like that, man. Oh, my foot stuck. My foot stuck. My foot stuck in it. Ah! It's stuck, man. It's stuck. Ma, it's your mama. I miss you, Ma.
Yeah. I need more slack. I can't
Look
get
at
it.
it doing to me.
Got it.
The officers later updated each other on the man's background. He had an active felony warrant, and now adding resisting and assault charges on top of it.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.